And the best part about season 2 is that we are going to make it even bigger. We are going to do it every day, and we're going to expand the kind of projects and the talents that you can showcase. It's not just singing now. We will do folklore, we will do different kind of dramas, we will do different kind of acts and shows, different kind of performances, different kind of stand-up comedy. All different talents that are there will also be showcased through this Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. I remember my younger days and always used to wish that we would be able to stand up somewhere and perform for somebody, and really it's those experiences in my life that really motivated us and myself especially to make sure that the opportunities which we wished we had in our younger days, we would like to see that our youngsters and our youth get those opportunities at least today when we have an opportunity to make things happen. God has blessed us with this time and this opportunity to make a difference in the lives of the people, in the lives of the youth, and I'm happy that this program will be one of the most far-reaching projects that we will have. And once again, I wish the department, I wish the team, and most importantly, I wish the artists and our youngsters the very best for this. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.